In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn audio event. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to make your event clear and inviting for your audience. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. From your home page, look to the lower left side and click Events. This opens your event dashboard. Next, select Create an Event to begin. When prompted to choose the event type, select Online. Audio events are hosted virtually, and choosing online ensures LinkedIn sets up your event correctly for an audio-only experience, without video links or physical locations. Now enter the essentials. Give your event a clear, descriptive name so people instantly understand what it's about. Think of it like a headline that highlights the topic and value. Choose the correct time zone next. This matters because LinkedIn displays event times based on that setting, helping attendees everywhere see accurate start times. Then set your start date and end date. If it's a single session, the end time can simply match when you plan to wrap up. A realistic end time helps attendees plan and reduces no-shows. If you have one, add an external event link. This can point to a page with more details or a sign-up form, and it gives interested people a place to learn more before the event goes live. Write a concise, engaging event description that explains who the event is for, what topics will be covered, and the takeaways participants can expect. Keep it straightforward and benefit-focused so readers immediately see why they should attend. Include your speakers. Listing speakers adds credibility and helps attendees recognize familiar voices. Make sure their titles or roles are accurate so people understand their perspective and expertise. Then upload a cover photo. Choose an image that's high quality, readable at a glance, and consistent with your brand or topic. Avoid cluttered graphics or tiny text, since many people will view this on mobile. When you're happy with the image, select Next. You'll now see the event post preview. This is what appears on your feed to promote the event. Add a short message that's friendly and actionable, like a quick invitation highlighting the benefit and how to join. Double-check spelling, dates, and the time zone, and make sure everything aligns with what attendees should expect. When everything looks good, select Post at the bottom. Your LinkedIn audio event is now created and visible, ready for your audience to discover. And that's how you can create a LinkedIn audio event from start to finish.